Okay, today we are going to start by adding a new Google Sheet in our Google Drive. We're going to pretend today that we are adding up costs for a back-to-school bake sale. So I am just going to make the title here, Bake Sale Costs. All right, so to start, I want to have two columns. I want to have items and then the cost for those items so we can add them up. Let's say we had to get brownie mix for $4.05. We had to get cookies for $12.30, and we got plates for $5 even. To know our total, we're going to make a simple equation. We're going to hit equal sum parentheses, and then we're going to go B2, which is the cell that we want to start at, colon B4, the cell we want to end at, closing parentheses, and it'll automatically add it up for you. So you have your added sum right there.